Hi children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So now coming to the point. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment on major domains of the earth, so which is related to class 6th. So then why late children, let's start our assignment with the first question is here. Which two oceans surround the South America on the east and the west? That means they are asking what? So the two oceans surrounded to the South America, east and west. See, try to answer here by seeing this map. So this is South America and here is North America. So they ask question here about South America, right? So South America east side means this side. So which ocean is there? Atlantic Ocean. Then coming to the west side. So which ocean present here? Pacific Ocean. So what is the answer? Atlantic Ocean, which is east, and west is Pacific Ocean. So that is the first question answer. See here children. On the east Atlantic Ocean and on the west Pacific Ocean. Now let's take second question. Write the names of two Indian research stations located in Antarctica. So there are two stations out there in Antarctica children which is related to India. So one is Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. I will show you here. See. So where is Antarctica? So here is Antarctica, right? So here are the two Indian research stations are there. Okay. Now let's take third question. How much percentage of the earth is covered with the water? So the answer is 71% of the earth is covered with the water. By seeing the map also we can say the answer. See here. See here. So this fully blue color is there, no children. So these are the continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and remaining blue color which indicates a water. So that is what? So the earth consists with how much percentage of water? 71% of water. So that is what here? Third question answer. More than 71% of earth is covered with water. Now let's take fourth question children. What is the percentage of earth's water found in oceans? So the answer is 97%. So just now we saw the map. See here. So this full water is covered in oceans, right? So see here is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, here is Arctic Ocean. So like that 97% of earth's water found in the oceans. So that is the fourth question answer here. Now let's take fifth question. Write the names of the continents that surround the Pacific Oceans. The answer is Asia, Australia, North and South America surrounded it. Okay. So you can see in the map also. See here. See North America, South America, Asia. Right. Now let's take another question. Sixth question. What are the components of the hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means what? Water bodies, right? So running of water in oceans and rivers and in lakes or in icebergs or in glaciers, underground water and the water vapor in atmosphere all comprised called as hydrosphere. In simple terms we can say that hydrosphere means what? Water bodies. Okay. Now let's take seventh question children. Write a short note on the continent Australia. If you see here, so this is the Australia continent compared to all the continents. So this is the smallest continent. And not only that, see this continent surrounded with water. If you see here North America, so maybe here it is connecting with South America, whereas Africa is connecting to Europe and Asia. But whereas if you see Australia, fully covered with the water. So this is why we call here island continent. So that is what the answer children. See. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It surrounded on all sides by the oceans and seas. It is called as an island continent. Next, eighth question children. Why the ocean water is not fit for human use? So why oceans is not set for our personal use children? Because it contains salt. So that is why salty water we are not going to use for our personal purpose, right? Even for drinking also it is not at all useful. Now let's take ninth question here. What do you mean by hydrosphere? Yeah, just now we discussed this. Hydrosphere means what? The area which is containing with the water is called as hydrosphere. Next, 10th question, children. How much portion of fresh water is available for human use? See, 97% of water is in oceans, which is not useful for our personal purpose. Okay, because it contains salt. Then remaining 3%. In this 3% also 2% in the form of glaciers, and remaining only 1%. Only 1% of water is available for our personal purpose. Means fresh water is available. That means it's a very small percentage of water is available as fresh water for human use. Because why? 97% in oceans, which is salt content. Next 2% in the form of icebergs, glaciers, and the remaining only 1% is there, children. So from this we can say that water is very precious. Okay? Save water and save life. Next, coming to the 11th question, children. Name the world's longest mountain ranges located in South America. The answer is Andes Mountains. I will show you in the map. See here. See, children. So this is South America. See, here is Andes Mountains. So these are the Andes Mountains. Is it clear? Now let's take 12th question. In which region permanent human settlements are not there? So in polar region, settlements are not there, children. Because why? Due to some climatic condition. Because their weather conditions are very bad. It's not like it goes to -degrees. So that is why it is not at all suitable for human settlements there. Next, coming to the 13th question. How the North America is linked to the South America? Already this question we discussed in the previous assignment. You can see here. See, North America and South America connecting with the Panama Canal. Even we can say that Thomas Panama. Okay. So that is what here the answer. See, North America linked to the South America by a narrow strip land called the Thomas of Panama. Even we can say Panama Canal. Okay. Now let's take 14th question here. What is the meaning of strait? Strait means a narrow passage connecting with the ocean and sea. That is called as strait. See the answer here. A strait is narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans. If you take in India, see children here. So this is India and this is Sri Lanka. So there is a one strait here. What is that? Park Strait. So in between India and Sri Lanka, the name of the strait is called Park Strait. Okay. Now let's take another question, last question. Name the strait or water body between India and Sri Lanka. Here just now we saw the picture. That is what answer here, Park Strait. See once again. So between India and Sri Lanka, so there is Park Strait here. Is it clear, children? So total 15 question answers we completed in this assignment. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much, children. Now signing off.